It's now November. The wall has been done for a couple of months, and we have been doing some planting, some a little premature, but still we have some planting done. Our daughter had a friend that wanted to clear her garden out of any plants that were there. She was not a gardener, had no time to garden, and was not the least bit interested. So we said we would take whatever she had to get rid of. In this level, we have lamb's ears, the level down below, if you can see them through the leaves, pretty much in the shade, but we also have lamb's ears. They are a low plant and they spread quite rapidly, so hopefully they will spread and take care of any of the weeds that will appear. Right now they look pretty healthy, and we're sure hoping they make it through the winter. She also had a lot of ajuga, which is even a lower spreading plant. And when that takes over, weeds have a very hard time coming through them. A couple of weeks ago, our daughter decided she didn't want, we call them live forevers. I don't know what the real name is, but they spread quite quickly too. The only disadvantage to these is in the fall when they're blooming, the bees love them. So you cannot go anywhere near the garden or near these when the bees are out. There was enough ajuga to not only fill this section, along with the hostas, but also to this section below us here. And that's a lot of ajuga. With all the traveling around we did, we find, as always, the trees in our backyard are probably the nicest.
Please take a second to comment, subscribe, ring the bell to get notices of new videos, and please give a thumbs up.